Welcome. If you've ever wondered what happens to those friend requests you ignored on Snapchat, or maybe you just want to double-check who's tried to connect with you, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view all the friend requests you've ignored on Snapchat, quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main camera screen. Next, look for the chat icon. It's usually at the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your device. Give that a tap to enter your chat section. Once you're in your chats, look at the top of the screen for the Friends icon. It often looks like a little person or two heads together. Tap on that to open up your Friends and Pending Requests area. Now, here's where it gets interesting. At the very top, you'll see 3 dots. These are your Settings or Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to reveal more features. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Friends Requests I've Ignored. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the Snapchatters whose friend requests you've ignored. This list is private. Only you can see it, so you can review these requests without anyone knowing. If you change your mind about any of these requests, you can accept them right from this list. Or if you prefer, you can simply leave them as they are. Snapchat won't notify the other person that you've ignored their request, so you have full control over your connections without any awkwardness. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily keep track of ignored friend requests and manage your Snapchat connections with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check back for more tips on making the most of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping.